So today at MJ's, I'm on a mobile job. Got a customer with a 2009 Mercedes ML350. So this might apply to other models as well. But basically, truck cut off on him while he was driving and wouldn't turn back on. I came out, and what I realized is that he doesn't have any attempts, like the starter wouldn't even attempt to engage or nothing. When you push the start button, it'll just reset back to, as if you just push the key without pushing down the pedal. So like the lights and stuff like that will still be on the dash, but when you hit the push the start button and push down the pedal, it won't start. It won't even try to. So this is what I found out. I had ran some jumper cables to it. Don't mind the water, I was thirsty, it's hot. But I ran some jumper cables to the normal jump points, which is your negative right here, and your positive would be on this box that's right here on this lug. Look like that, right? Doing it like that, I still got the same result, but I ran my test light to this right here, this terminal right here. I didn't get no power to this, which means the fuse box really wasn't getting power. So I took the jumper cable positive from here and put it here, and then tried to start the truck, and it started. So what I did was I took apart this junction box up here with these fuses. It's like a couple of plastic tabs right here. You could squeeze them and kind of push them out with a screwdriver or whatever you find the easiest way to be. And then after that, you'll have to take this lug off, and that's a 13, a deep 13 I took it off with. Probably don't even need to be deep, because it just need to grab the top right there. But anyway, take that off. You take your power wire going to your fuse box off, and you take your main power wire off. And I know I should have said this at the beginning, but please disconnect your battery before you cause further problems or hurt yourself. And also, getting back to the video, so right here, my problem was this fuse right here. I had power on this terminal, but didn't have power at that terminal. So you take off the little lug nuts or nuts for those. These are 10s, by the way. You take off this one, and you take off the top 3, because you got the bar right here that goes across those 3 fuses, and this part sticks up. This is where the lug will screw down to fasten it all down. But anyway, I took that 100 amp fuse out and turned it around so I could see the clear casing, and just as I thought, it was blown. So putting a new one in now, and the truck should start, because it started when I jumped power to it. So there you go, quick video on how to diagnose a Benz that won't crank, won't start.